Hello guys, welcome to our weekly video for the week ahead. We have a couple ideas for this week. Let me start by euro and dollar. Euro and dollar, it's been a bit confusing lately with all these range. I mean, the market has not been trending for a long time, for like 3 4 months I guess now, more than that, 6 months, which is not good for us as Elliott Waves traders because we want trending markets. But I think the range is coming to an end, or at least temporarily. We have a 5 waves up here. Let me just label them for you guys. This is wave 1, 2 here, 3, 4, and 5 up there. If someone is wondering, but there are another 2 retracements here. These are just the 5 subwaves of wave 3. Yeah? As usual, wave 3 is the longest one, is the extended one. Here we have 5 waves up, and since we established direction in this case, yeah, we are looking for longs then. We have here an A and B C down, which it was a sharp one. Okay, and then okay, someone will say, but we expect the market to go long from there. It already retraced too much. This is not the case apparently, since the market is coming down from there. So we have another A and B C up, which could indicate two scenarios, guys. Either the first A and B C down is the whole pattern, so this is A and B C and this is X, and the market is going for another A and B C, or the scenario I believe is more highly likely is that the market is doing a triangle. So wave 2 is just a simple triangle. Triangle will need 5 waves. So A, B, C, D, E, and then break upwards. And that's what I believe the market is doing on euro dollar. It's doing a triangle. So we need to have 5 waves. We still have 3. I believe it's a long until up there, then a short again down here, and then a big long going upwards. So we are looking to buy from here on the opening on not Saturday night, Sunday night. It's gonna be, the spread is gonna be big. Maybe Monday morning. I don't think it's gonna happen anyway until Monday morning. We are looking, if the market starts returning up from there, we are looking to buy. And let's see the analysis of the waves of this A and B C. We have this is 1, 2 here, 4, and 5 down, 4 wave A. So this is wave A, let's say. Okay, all this is wave A. Then this sharp correction A and B C down there, A and B C is wave B. And then we have 5 waves down for this wave C. So this it was a zigzag pattern. We have 1, and in this case, guys, wave C is an ending, wave 5 is an ending diagonal. As you can see, it's not normal 5 waves. So it's an ending diagonal ending somehow like this. Maybe it's not finished yet. Maybe the triangle doesn't finish there. I'm not saying triangle is finished. Anyway, in an ending diagonal, we know we need to have 5 waves. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. and then it's gonna break. Okay, so we are still in the 4, we need to have the 5, and from there it's the long. So here, okay, so let's do our line a bit better then, maybe somewhere there. And here is gonna be the end of the ending diagonal, the end of wave 5, which means the end of wave C. Okay, so these are our idea guys for euro and dollar. We expect up there another movement. We're looking for buys there. Okay, let's go now. Dollar again. Dollar again. I believe it made its A and B C up there. I believe it's a downtrend started. We expect a retracement of 61.8. We have here guys 1, 2, 4 and 5 down there. And these are the subwaves of wave 3 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So is wave 1 of wave 3. Okay, so we're looking for shorts on dollar again guys, but after 5 waves down we need to have a retracement A and BC. We know usually it comes to 61.8, so we still have time. That doesn't mean we are looking for longs. We don't trade retracements. Trading retracement is dangerous. You don't know how much the market will retrace, and you don't know how it will go there. Imagine a retracement now like this one, which is in double correction or triple one happening. It's gonna take weeks. Why would you want to keep your margin in a pair that needs weeks to retrace instead of finding a pair that is trending and go with the trend and make your money in a day or two? So we don't trade retracements. Now, this guys is in double correction so far. This is A and B, C here. This is X, and then same thing, another A, another A and B, C down there. Another X, which makes it a triple correction. And now the market now did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up for A again. It's gonna do B and C probably to 38.2, which is gonna be, let's say, the first main wave A of the subwaves. Yeah, and then probably the market is gonna do something like this and like this up there to 61.8. So we're expecting for the triple correction to finish up there. Then the market should come down there somewhere, and then all the way up to finish the whole pattern, and from there we are looking for shorts. Now we are not trading this. Maybe if we find a good opportunity, the ideal entry point, maybe we can trade wave C, because wave C usually is the fast one. So if you ever gonna trade a retracement, only wave C, never wave A or wave B. It's frustrating, choppy, and you are wasting your margin there. You can find much better opportunities than a triple correction. Now, dollar CAD, since last week we said we are in this triangle. Very good. The market made the A and B C for wave D, and then now it's coming down for the last wave E, where from there we're gonna go for the big long. We had this analysis last time, guys. I don't know if you remember. We already have the lines up from there. Yeah, it should go up from there all the way for the A and B C to finish up the whole this pattern we analyzed last time. Now this was on Friday. It spiked above, so it made a fake breakout. It killed a lot of people at some point. I'm not gonna lie to you. We lost one trade as well because when on Thursday did this, we shorted after this 1 hour candlestick. We thought, okay, fair enough, the triangle hold it. Then it spiked us out, but then it came back in again. We shorted again, obviously. We know that the brokers and the banks are doing these tricks for us, for the retail traders. So we get the impact straight away. We closed our trade exactly down there, so we made our money again. We made our money back and some profits. Now what I'm looking to do, guys, is if it retraces a bit more, so around 61.8, yeah, I'm looking to short it again, yeah, maybe all the way down there. So this is wave A, it's gonna do B and C for the big E, and from there I'm gonna buy for a long time until it reaches highest targets. So for now the idea is either guys you wait until wave E finishes and then you buy, or you can short until down for the wave E, but a careful short, not now, it's too far away for your stop loss. Wait for more retracements. If more retracement doesn't happen, just give it a rest and you can just buy down here. That's what at least what we're gonna do. Now, Aussie dollar, really our idea last week was to buy it. It is a pan out. Fair enough. We are not sure what it's doing now. So we're waiting on it. Yeah. If something doesn't make sense, you don't need to trade it. We already have two ideas: euro and dollar, dollar CAD, actually three, and dollar yen. You don't need much more than 2, 3 good setups. It's quality over quantity. So if something doesn't make sense, you don't trade it. So we're not gonna even bother with Australian dollar. Same thing with New Zealand dollar. Although our idea is still valid that this could be A, B, and C, we expected this Fibonacci expansion 100 to hold. It seems like it's not holding, so for now we are gonna avoid it as well until it gives us something else that makes us feel more safer and makes the charts more clear for us, give us a clear idea. um, the other thing, Euro New Zealand from last week, we are still in the same wave, nothing much happened. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 that is still happening, and we think wave 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, so it's too late to go long. AMBC hasn't started yet, so we are just waiting on this pair. Nothing we can do. Probably it's gonna start the big retracement AMBC from somewhere up here, so we are just waiting. And the last one we saw last week is Aussie New Zealand. As we said, this is 1 and 2 main trend, sub waves of wave 3, 1, 2 is happening. This is A, B, and now C is happening, guys. Look at the Fibonacci expansion 1618 is matching with the retracement 61.8, which makes it ideal entry point for us. This is the entry point we are looking to go longs on this pair. Okay, guys, that's for this week. This Euro New Zealand, Aussie New Zealand is still far away from their entry point, so we don't consider them for now. We have the Euro and dollar, we said, the triangle, we're looking for longs. We have the dollar again, we're expecting the retracement up there, and the triangle of dollar cut to finish up and go long on it. So three ideas for this week that might give us entry points. Probably in dollar cut and euro and dollar, they are gonna give us entry points this week. Maybe in dollar again, not this week, maybe next week. So let's see how it goes. Thank you very much, guys, for listening to our videos. If you have any questions, please let me know.